Ever think about jumping rope? It's more than just a fun game. It's a great way to get fit and strong. Stick with us and we'll show you how something as simple as jumping rope can help you feel better and healthier in ways you might not expect. The versatility of this exercise is remarkable. It can be pursued as a sport, for mastering tricks, or merely for recreational enjoyment. You can approach it with utmost seriousness or engage in it lightheartedly. It serves as a potent training tool for other sports and a pathway to enhanced health and longevity. The key message is that jumping rope can offer extensive benefits in diverse aspects of life. So let's explore these top 10 reasons, hoping to inspire you to embrace the world of jumping rope. First, the caloric burn associated with jumping rope is remarkably high. A fact we frequently emphasize. Jumping rope has proven to be a powerful calorie-burning exercise. Research substantiates that an hour of this activity could help burn over 1,000 calories. Furthermore, it's been illustrated that a mere 10 minutes of rope jumping equates approximately to the exertion of running an 8-minute mile. Second, jumping rope significantly enhances cardiovascular health. This simple exercise is an exceptional tool for maintaining heart health. It has the ability to decrease your resting heart rate, lower blood pressure, mitigate stress, improve your cholesterol profile, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. If the thought of starting seems daunting, or if you worry about the necessary commitment, rest assured that just 15 minutes of jump rope per day, 5 days a week, can already foster notable improvements in your cardiovascular health. Third, jumping rope contributes to increased bone density. This activity is an effective strategy for strengthening bones. The process of jumping up and down repetitively compresses and decompresses your bones, fostering growth and enhancing bone density. This, in turn, improves the overall health of your skeletal structure. On to the fourth benefit, and that is jumping rope fosters enhanced muscle activation. As you can assume, it's a comprehensive workout engaging your entire body. Each swing of the rope solicits the involvement of every muscle. By incorporating weighted ropes, you're able to engage a wider array of muscle groups with each swing. As the rope's weight increases, so does the resistance, leading to greater muscle engagement. Jumping rope also significantly bolsters your agility. Whether you're a surfer, a boxer, or participate in sports like basketball, soccer, fencing, bicycling, or any other competitive sport, either professionally or as a hobby, jumping rope serves to enhance your overall agility. This will enable you to perform better and at a higher level in any activity. Moreover, maintaining the correct jump rope form assists in the development of swift footwork, speed, and power. By the way, you're going to want to check out our 2 ebooks in the description below for a comprehensive guide on how to build muscle quickly and how to optimize your nutrition in the correct way to meet your goals. For the sixth benefit, jumping rope contributes significantly to enhancing coordination. To maintain the rhythm and footwork techniques of jump rope, you need to harmonize the movements of your eyes, feet, hands, arms, legs, and torso as you jump. As you gain proficiency with the exercise, this benefit can permeate into various aspects of your life, including but not limited to other sports and hobbies you engage in. Similarly, jumping rope also aids in balance development. When you jump rope, your body continually adjusts to reestablish balance with each skip. This ability to balance works symbolically with coordination, given that you must harmonize various body parts while your entire body is in motion. The aggregate of these movements helps to maintain balance. Eighthly, jumping rope can serve as a form of meditation. It provides individuals with a period of solitude each day, be it 20, 30, or 40 minutes, where they can simply be alone with their thoughts, sometimes in tranquil silence, in an appealing place, or even in the garage with a vibrant soundtrack. They find themselves in a zone, aligning their footwork with the rhythm of the rope or to the beat of the music, which fosters a meditative or flow state. If you don't believe me, give it a try. Ninthly, jumping rope contributes to overall well-being enhancement. Several studies suggest that engaging in physical activities such as jumping rope can foster improvement in various aspects of wellness. These include sleep quality, stress management, mental acuity, self-perception, the chance to form new friendships, and even productivity. Now on to arguably one of the best benefits. Jumping rope is simply fun. If you've ever watched someone perform this exercise, or better yet, if you've tried it yourself, you would undeniably know the joy it brings. More than anything else, if you're on the hunt for a fun-filled way to exercise, look no further. After all this jumping, you're probably going to be pretty exhausted. I'd suggest jumping into a seated position on the couch so that you're nice and comfortable when you click on one of these 2 videos right here. They'll provide you with even more information to help take your fitness journey to the next level.